I swear. Like
he's a comedian.
70 years old man.
Be like a comedian, no?
Very
Not a
funny.
comedian.
This
I
man.
like him. Spanner.
70 years old man.
I called you out here for us to eat like brothers. Because people are complaining that they be like they fear you for food. Or why can't we be eating like brothers? Now respect yourself. Let us enjoy this food. I don't want yeah.
No,
Eat it like this. Yeah, try it.
Charlie boy, now I'm too much.
You know. Spanner, why don't you go? Respect yourself and eat it gently.
more chop now.
On this film, I was even thinking that we'll just do something about this movie, especially Nigerian movie. They have to do things.
As well. That's a culture. Nah, that is very funny.
Things say they wise.
You do comedy now.
I swear. Like
He's a comedian. Be able like a comedian, no? He's not a
funny.
comedian. I like him.
We must learn it. This man.
Why this food is going down? I don't understand, though. We don't finish the food just now.
That be me and the chop here. We dey watch this thing now.
Preach watch and go for you.
You say funny, oh. Funny do.
Oh, Mumu not too much.
That's one Odogu. I must do something with him.
I swear.
We must do something with him.
Yeah. But I know. I swear.
What is going on here? Spanner, where is the food? Where they here? We are eating with Spanner. What's going on here?
What happened now, guy?
Nothing. Hey! Hey! This is what they said. When you're eating with the devil, you use a longer spoon. So this is your longer spoon, Spanner.
Oh, Mumu not too much.
So this is your longer spoon, Spanner.
This one they carry anything too. Now this one they carry something.
Oh, now this one they carry something.
The beam aside they waste strength for. Hey! Baba, wait, no, wait now, wait.
Where is the food when they here now? Where is the food?
I'm gonna.
Where is the food?